Listing optimization is one of the most important and basic building block of your Amazon business, because if you do it correctly, you'll get a lot of sales and make profit, and if you don't do it correctly, then you'll be at loss. And the listing optimization is something that you have to do only once, not like the Amazon sourcing, supply chain management and PPC management, which you have to do continuously for the lifetime. The listing optimization is something that you only have to do once, and if you do it correctly, then it can give you benefit for the lifetime. So if this is only one-time task, and it can actually define your product to your customer, and it can actually play a vital role in convincing your customer to purchase from your listing and not from your competitor listing, then why not do it correctly? Why not put some time in it to make it better and better, so it can actually give you more benefit in future? And the most common mistake which people are doing nowadays in this era of technology and AI, that they are doing listing optimization manually, which can actually take hours and hours to do, and still they cannot do it perfectly. Because if you take the help of technology and AI tools, then you can actually save your hours and you can do your task perfectly and correctly. So in this video, I'm going to show you a tool from which you can actually do your Amazon listing optimization easily and accurately within just 20 or 30 minutes. So you can actually get your perfect listing which will convert, which will attract the customer, and which will help your listing to rank on multiple keywords. So your listing can actually reach out to the target audience and they can go on your listing and purchase a lot. So this video is going to be super important for you. So keep watching this video till the end, step by step, without skipping any part. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened two websites. Number one is Helium10 and number two is Amazon website. So basically, for those of you who don't know what Helium10 is, so it is basically a research tool which is recommended to all of the Amazon seller, because it can help you to do many of your tasks easily within no time, which can help your Amazon business to grow fast and make more profit for you. So if you're investing too much money in your Amazon FBA business, like in purchasing inventory, shipping inventory, marketing your product, so if you invest a fraction of that amount into these kind of tools, so basically you can actually get everything done perfectly within less time. So you can actually reduce your working hours and can actually do things correctly and perfectly, which will eventually give you good results in future. And if you're a follower of my channel, then you can actually get a creator bonus from me, and if you sign up with my coupon code, so you can get 35% off as well. So all of the details regarding that you can find under description of this video. So now go back to my computer screen, and here you can see that when you go on Helium10 and make your account, so you will be able to see on the top this toolbar. So when you click on that, so you can see that there are multiple tools available under one roof which can actually help you in everything regarding Amazon business. You can see that it can help you in product research, listing optimization, analytics, keyword research and learning. So there are multiple tools, and I have the dedicated video on each of them, just like how to do product research, listing optimization, keyword research and so on, right? But today's video is regarding listing optimization, so we will use two tools. Number one is Magnet, which is for keyword research, so I can open that, and number two is Listing Builder. You can see that it says AI powered listing optimizer. So let's open that as well. So first of all, you have to go on Amazon and open one of your competitor listing and copy the main keyword from their title. Just for an example, you can see here the listing I have opened is for cat litter box, and from this title I can see that the cat litter box is the main keyword and other keywords are secondary. So if you copy that keyword and go to the Magnet tool of Helium10 and paste that keyword and select your market, then you have to click on the get keywords. So when you do that, then you can see that it is fetching our data and it will bring all of those keywords which are relevant to these keywords and which people are searching on Amazon search engine, right? So after searching that keyword, if I scroll down, so on the left side you can see that there are more than 4,000 keywords it has fetched. So basically we don't need that much, we only need 200 or maybe 300, right? So we have to go up, and from this filter section, we have to put some values and narrow down our searches, right? So let's suppose the minimum search volume I want is 150 and maximum I want is 8,000. And then the word count minimum I want 2, the match type I want organic, the Magnet IQ score I want minimum 500, and then the keyword sales I want minimum 150, and that's it. So if I put some filters and then click on apply filters, So you can see that the number got reduced from 4000 to only 7 keywords, right? So if you go up again and make some changes, then you can actually have more keywords, right? So now you can see that all of the keyword which I am getting is super relevant to that keyword. You can see that metal cat litter box, steel cat litter box, stainless steel litter box, and so on. And all of the keyword are having good search volume, good sales history, and good organic rank. So just like that, with the help of this Magnet IQ score, you have to find out those keywords which are super relevant to your product, and then you have to copy those keywords and then go back to this tool which says Amazon Listing Builder. So if you open that tool, so you will be able to see this kind of interface, and you can see that we can use this tool only for 20 listing for one account. And you can see that all of the 20 listings I have already used, and now if I want to do it for more 20 listings, then I might need another account, right? So you can see that it says you have used all 20 listings. I cannot create a new one, but I can show you on this example. Like after finding out all of those keywords from the magnet tool, all you have to do is you have to go on this left side, keyword bank, and you have to put all of those keywords here just like that. So basically what this tool will do is it will remember all of those keywords which you have just researched, and then it will remember like these are the keywords which you want to use on your listing. And then on the right side you can see that we are having some tabs like product title and product bullet points and description. So basically after putting all of those keywords on the left tab, all you have to do is you have to start writing the title here, start writing bullet point and description here, and all of those keywords which you will type here will keep matching from those keywords which you can see on the left side. This keyword route builder will basically cut those keywords, so you may know like this keyword you have already used, and if you repeat any of the keyword, it will become green. So in that way, if you write the title, bullet point and description just to explain your product, so there will be two benefits of using this tool. Number one is when you write the content for your product, so you will be writing in such a way that it will be understandable by any person who is basically visiting your listing. But not only we want to make them understand, but we want to make our content more SEO friendly, so Amazon's algorithm can also understand that and can rank our product on all of those keywords which are super relevant, and we will put those keywords into the listing, right? So in that way, if you use this tool to make your listing, so your listing will be reader friendly and SEO friendly as well, and you will know like what keywords you are using, and you can actually make sure easily like you're not repeating many keywords multiple times. So after finishing out title, bullet point, description, if you see on the left side, then you will be able to see what keywords you have used and what keyword you have not used. So in that way, all of those keywords which you have not used, and if you think that they are important, so you can use that as well later on after finishing the listing, right? So you can see that there are three tabs. Number one, one word route, and number two, two word route, and then three word route. So you can see that this is a one word route, and if I click on two word route, so you can see that all of the keywords which consist of two words, so it is showing me all of those keywords. And this keyword I have used, and it is basically showing me that this keyword I have used only one time, and this keyword I have used 5 times, which is having search volume 6000. So with the help of this kind of interface, you can actually have a clear picture in front of you, like which keyword you have used, how many times you have used, and which keyword you have not used. So for those keywords which you have not used, and if they are less important, you can just leave them. But if they are too much important and having good search volume, then it's must for you to use them in that. So if you're writing your listing manually on MS Word or maybe Google Docs, so you will not be able to have a complete control just like this. Like you don't know which keyword you have used, how much time you have used, and how much search volume they are having. And those tools will also not give you suggestion based on the AI, right? So if you use this tool, so it will give you too much insight about your listing, like how many keywords you have used, how many characters you have used, and how many words are left. So with these kind of AI suggestion and a complete control on data, you can actually make your listing more powerful, more attractive, and more SEO friendly, so you can get more sales, more traffic, and hence you will get more profit. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.